Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So how have you guys been doing this December? Are you getting everything done? Are you baking? Are you trying new things? Are you getting out and enjoying yourselves? Well, I have been trying to do a little bit of everything, but the weather has been keeping us in. Just before the weather got really bad here where I am, we had an appointment for my husband in the city, and hopefully we're praying and hoping that the results are good for that. And if you could all keep us in your prayers, we would appreciate it so much. But that day I managed to run into a Dollar Tree that was by the hospital. And to be honest with you, this Dollar Tree, which I thought was a pretty good one, seemed like there were a lot of empty spaces on the shelves. So maybe they're really selling out of things. And I just have a feeling that very, very soon we're going to be seeing Valentine's Day items on the shelves. And I can't believe it's already, today is the 11th of December. December so far has been flying by. At least I think so. How about for you guys? So anyways, I did stop in and I did pick up some items. Not a whole lot, but I thought I'd go ahead and share with you what I found. And that's the thing with Dollar Tree. I was looking for some more of the tree plates that Dollar Tree finally brought this year to my Dollar Trees, and they do have the glasses, the shorter and the taller ones. They had the mugs. I didn't see the dinner plates. There were no cake plates. I was very happy to ask my husband one time when he was in the city if he could pop into a Dollar Tree to see if they had any of the cake plates. And fortunately, he was able to pick up 10, but I haven't seen any myself. And the last few times I've asked my sons if they could pop in, if they were close by a Dollar Tree, and they haven't been able to find them either. So that was disappointing, but hopefully at some point, either this year, if not this year, then hopefully next year they bring them back again. I'll be able to get some more. But what I did find, which was my most exciting find of this Dollar Tree shopping trip, were the mugs. Now, usually I section everything and I go through things one by one. I will go through them one by one, but I'm just going to do it all right here instead of cutting and splitting everything up, because really there's not a whole lot. But I did want to share the video just for these mugs. And again, this was my favorite find at Dollar Tree. I had not seen these until now. So they had the green, the white, and the red, and I love the green. The red is really nice, and I was happy they had the white as well. And I did pick up 2 of each to place them on my dining room table. I didn't want them all one color, since my color scheme for Christmas has always been green, white, and red. So I thought I'd mix it up. So this is the green, and you could tell it has the sweater pattern on it. And then here is the red up close. And then I'll go over to this side and I'll show you the white. And these are really pretty mugs. They are a nice size mug. Great size. These would even be great if you wanted to give a little gift and then add a few items inside, because it is a really nice size. So I'm happy that I was able to pick up those and see those this time around, because there really was not that much left on the shelf, and I'm sure those will go fairly quick too, especially with this year, the Ralph Lauren trending. These would be great to add to that decor style. Then I picked up another one of these plushies, and I just love these. And this was the one that I saw last time and I didn't pick it up, and then when I seen it this time I thought I'm gonna pick it up. So I did, and there really weren't that much of these little plushies left either. This is my favorite plushie that I've seen Dollar Tree actually bring to the store, and I just think he's adorable. And for $1.50, I think it's a great deal for anyone that loves plushies. So you can even fit him in the mug like that. How cute. Then I picked up these, which were a new item. Now I have seen that they've had the travel chimes before, and they are by Angel of Mine, but these are different animals that they've brought this time, and I thought they were so cute. This one I believe is a monkey because he has bananas on him, and I was excited to pick this up for my gorilla reborn, which I named Zara. So when I change her into her Christmas outfit, I will be including this with her in her little basket. And then they also had the elephant, which is super cute, and his ears crinkle, and then of course it rattles. So this is a really nice item that Dollar Tree carries, and it's nice to see them changing up the animals as well. Okay, let me move these over. I am making some stockings for my great niece and great nephew, and so I just picked up a couple of the Elf on the Shelf pop-ups. I hadn't seen these before, and I thought they were really, really cute. I picked up a couple of the Palmer Santa Claus milk chocolate. It was a larger size. You can see it's for $2. So I'm gonna put that in their stocking as well. I picked up another set of cards. I thought this one was really pretty. It says rejoice, and then inside the card it says enjoy the wonder of the season, Merry Christmas. And there are 14 cards and envelopes in there. I picked up some command strips for a couple of pictures that I wanted to hang. If that video hasn't gone up, it should be coming up soon, and I needed a heavier command strip to hold the picture, so that is what I got them for. And then I just grabbed a couple extra. These are the 2 pound, and I don't always see these ones. I see the 0.5 pounds, but these ones I don't see as often. I picked up a couple of their 2026 planners, one in this really pretty purple, and then it has the holographic letters. Is that what it's called? Holographic? I'm not sure. It sounds right, but... And I like these for if I want to have one planner for a specific thing, for either meal planning, or if I want another one for my daughter, for her to keep up on her schooling, another one for my husband and his appointments. I just sometimes like to have them separately, so I figured these ones were really nice. They have a notepad in the back, which allows you to write things, and then the days, there's a good amount sectioned off for each day so that you can fill that in. And then at the beginning it also has an overview of each month, so I thought that was good as well. I picked up another pack of the dog waste bags. You get 42. I did need some more, so I grabbed another pack. I grabbed a couple. This is actually the first time that I've seen them, unless I've missed them before. I probably have them if they were there in my other Dollar Tree hauls as I was taking pictures, but this was the first time I noticed them, maybe because I was on the lookout for some. But these are the extension cords by E-Circuit, and they are 6 feet. So that's really nice for $1.50. I believe they were $1.50. Either $1.50 or $1.75, but I'm thinking $1.50. And they have the 3 outlets, 16 gauge. So and they are only for indoor use, but I did need them, so I was happy to pick them up because there wasn't very many left. I picked up some more of these frames for myself. In my hallway, I have my staircase that has a little section of wall, and so I did want to, especially for the Christmas season, I wanted to print out some trees and place them in here and then hang them in that area. So last time I went, I believe I found 2 white and 1 black. So this time I found 2 black and 1 white. So now I have 3 of each. And then I did find only 1 of the bigger frames in the same look. So 4x6 and 5x7. And then the last thing that I picked up, other than the tote bag, which I was just using as a backdrop because I have some mess in behind there, so it makes a great backdrop. And I love these bags because I can reuse them for when I go to the Dollar Tree, or if I have a gift, then I like to put them in these bags. But I did find some more of the gift bags with the Santa Claus North Pole scenes, and I really love them. I probably should have, I always do this when I get back. I say I should have picked up another one of each, and I didn't, but this is the first one. How beautiful is this, with Santa on the train, and you can see it says Santa Station and North Pole. And he's waving at the snowmen here with the little bunnies. I think this is the first time I've seen this year. I have seen this bag hauled, but at the Dollar Tree, I don't believe I've seen it, because if I had, I'm sure I would have picked it up. But I just love it. So pretty. And then the second one, which I really, really wanted to find this one, is Santa on his sleigh, and underneath there are some log cabins or little cottages all alongside this river. How beautiful. So I am going to look for a frame that I could fit this whole thing in, and I do want to put some lights in behind and light it up. I just think it's so pretty with the reindeer all decked out as well. Just a beautiful, beautiful print. Well guys, that will do it for this quick Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys have been finding everything that you're looking for at Dollar Tree. It's going so fast, and I just keep thinking about very soon we're going to be seeing Valentine's Day, and I really don't want to see Valentine's Day. I want to see more of winter and Christmas, but it is going quick, and I hope you're all doing well. I hope you liked this quick Dollar Tree haul. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It'll greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.